Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to do pedicure at home easily. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. First step is to soak your feet in warm water. So for that I am taking hot water in a tub. Make sure that the water which you have taken should not be too hot. And next I am going to add some baking soda. Squeezing half slice of lemon. And finally I am going to add a baby wash into this, but you can also use your regular shampoo or any face wash, it's your choice. So after adding everything, then mix it well. Now soak your feet in this water, and before doing this process, make sure that your nail doesn't have any of your old nail paint. So I have completely removed my nail paint. Relax your feet for 5 to 10 minutes in this water. Here I am using my paddle brush to clean my feet, to remove any dirt on my feet. If you don't have this brush with you, then you can also use toothbrush. Repeat this process for both legs. So this completes step number 1. Next step is exfoliation. For that you can use any ready-made scrub like walnut scrub, but today I am going to show you with this pumic stone. So be very gentle while scrubbing your feet. So scrubbing helps in removing all the dead skin cells from your feet. So repeat this process on both sides of your feet. So yeah, I have completed my scrubbing. I have already cut my nails, so I'm using this cuticle removing tool to remove any dead skin around my nails. As we have already soaked our nails, so the process becomes very easy and the skin around our nails become much softer, and it is very easy to remove all the dead skin around our nails. Next, with the help of nail filer, I am just filing my nails. to moisturize your feet, use any thick moisturizer. And to this I am going to add few drops of olive oil. So after adding this olive oil, then mix it very well and apply this on your feet and massage it nicely into your skin. So finally it's time to apply your nail polish. I'm going to apply nail polish to my nails. So I'm done. This is how you can easily make your pedicure at home. So if you like my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye.